Hi guys, AR Malek here. In this video, I am going to show you how to cancel or delete all sent requests on Facebook. All friend requests, even these are 5 to 10 year older, you can see and delete it easily. Follow the process. Let's open up Facebook. Tap on three dots in top right corner. Now tap on Friends option. Here you can see I don't have any friend request in pending. You have to click on Friend Request option. No new request. You have to simply click on three dots in top right corner. Now in bottom you can see view sent request. You have to type here. Here these are all your friend requests from 2 or 3 years ago, or even these are in recent past. You can see all the sent requests from you are here. All these requests you can see on your mobile screen. If you want to cancel these, you have to simply click on cancel option one by one. You simply click on this cancel option. It will take 1 or 2 seconds. Now you have to select all the friend requests. First of all, you have to cancel all the friend requests. Then when you see in back, all the friend requests will be cancelled at the same time. Here you can see all the requests has been cancelled. Like and comment.